Hello guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Elzebeir Mohamed. Thank you. In these videos, we're gonna discuss about a different type of brokerage out there. If you are new to investing and thinking about investing in the stock market, but you're not sure what brokerage to pick, what brokerage will be best for you. So in this PowerPoint, I will give you an idea, different type of brokerage out there, in my opinions. And from there you can use these videos as a tip to do your own research and pick whatever suits your needs, whatever brokerage suits your need. So before we begin, what's a broker? A broker is a person who buys and sells goods or assets for other. All right, that's the definition of a broker, a dealer. So my first company will be TD Ameritrade. So I have used TD Ameritrade in the past, and also it's the company that taught me how to invest, all that stuff, the difference between stock price, stock appreciation, optional trading. I don't do optional trading. So TD Ameritrade is a good company overall. They offer the best customer service around. Not the greatest, but the best customers around. So TD Ameritrade, the company provides full brokerage service from stock trading to retirement guidance. Also, the company supports all types of investments accounts are there. The company is great for new investor. They have the largest selection of education articles and video in the industry. The company that just told me that the company focus more about educating their people, teaching their people how to make money instead of making money for them. If you teach somebody how to make money, then he's all set for life. Or if you want to make money, you know what I'm saying? It doesn't have to. You could build a company from there on. You could take that knowledge, take it away. It's like an asset. It's like a passive. It's a passive. So which means that companies really focus on education or teaching people how to make money. Also, the company has good research to provide customer service with its own TV network and trading magazine. So after all, TD Ameritrade is great for beginners. If you're a beginner, I recommend TD Ameritrade. My second one is Charlie Schwab. I love that name, Schwab. Well, Schwab is an American multinational financial service company. Schwab was founded in 1971 and it's based in San Francisco, California. Schwab is one of the leading investment brokerages in the United States of America. Schwab also offers the best customer service out there. They focus more about satisfaction of the customer service. Schwab holds 4.0 trillion in client assets. So Schwab is actually a great company for level 3 investment. People who they know what they're doing, they know how to invest and stuff like that. So that's Charlie Schwab for you. The second one I have is Fidelity. Fidelity is a private company, which means you cannot buy, which means they don't have what they call it, a stock, which means you can't own a share of Fidelity. So Fidelity is an American multinational service corporation based in Boston, Massachusetts. The company was founded in 1946 as FMR, which stands for Fidelity Management Research. The company is one of the largest asset management in the world with 2.46 trillion asset under management as of March 2018. Not 2018. Probably we're in 2020 right now. Probably they have more than that now. But yeah, so Fidelity is a great company overall. It's the best overall. It's the best overall. It's a great company. Fidelity, they focus more about retirement accounts and mutual funds, and the company manages a large family of mutual funds and fund distribute investment advice, retirement service, index fund, and cryptocurrency. I think Fidelity is the first big brokerage out there that offer cryptocurrency. When I mean by big, like it's like the big dog, Nothing. Also, Robinhood does offer cryptocurrency, but I would not trust Robinhood. We'll make a different video about that. So yeah, Fidelity is also a great company. They provide banking account from from online banking, from ATM. Fidelity is of the road a great company for like a pro investment. I don't use Fidelity actually. I don't use Fidelity at all. So my last one will be ETrade. ETrade was founded in 1988, Palo Alto, California. The company is one of the first online brokerage company in the United States of America. So ETrade was one of the first company to go online in the United States. The company understands what what the investor needs, what's going to succeed in the market. That's why they have the excellent mobile apps and their platform, which is great for optional trading. ETrade also is great for beginners. I have also used ETrade back in the past. My experience with ETrade was not the greatest, I lost some money in there, but still, you learn from your mistake, right? Well, anyway, so ETrade also great for beginner, but you have to have a minimum of 500 to open an account with them. Yep. So ETrade is also great for beginners. So yeah, if you're a beginner, so please do your own research, and this video is only for education purpose. Please leave a comment below, subscribe, and if this PowerPoint teaches you anything, please like, leave a comment below. Let me know what did I miss. I know there's different type of brokers out there. Believe me, I know there's different type of brokers out there. You got Vanguard. It was a Vanguard bug. I think I pronounced it wrong. Sorry about that. But there's a different type of brokers out there. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, taking your time and watching my PowerPoint. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and stay safe out there. Remember, don't touch your face. Wash your hand before you touch your face. Thank you so much. Peace out. One love.